Of course, the Cupertino company Apple has not yet presented its flagships in 2022, but the network already has the first information about what awaits us in 2023. And now I will tell you about everything in more detail. Greetings to everyone, my name is Osoznan, and before we start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Apple is expected to have a true punch-hole display iPhone next year, when Samsung will help it tuck the rest of the Face ID kit underneath the OLED display of the iPhone 15, reports the Alec. In order to do this, Apple is reportedly resorting to Samsung under-panel camera technology that made a cameo on the internal screen of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Z Fold 4 this year will still use the same technology, but for Z Fold 5, Samsung is allegedly developing a new under-display camera technology in partnership with the Canadians from OTI Lumionics. Their new solution results when an organic cassette patterning material is patterned deposited with a fine metal mask, and then the anode is deposited with an open metal mask to avoid the CPM. Thus, the magnesium-silver alloy anode material can cover a place without CPM deposition, letting light through for a camera sensor underneath to take a picture, all the while the display pattern looks uninterrupted unless you subject it to extreme close-up scrutiny. This new under-panel camera technology will reportedly be used first on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 next summer, and then to hide the Face ID module that will still be visible in iPhone 14 spill-shaped cutout underneath the display. That would leave only the front-facing selfie camera visible at the front of the iPhone 15. Or in other words, in 2024, Apple will be inventing the punch-hole display phone that has been a staple of Android handset makers for a while now. Apple will reportedly apply the new single punch-hole front design only on the iPhone 15 Pro models too. LG is also reportedly working on a similar under-panel camera solution and aims to hit 40% light transparency by 2024, at which point it may become a viable contender for the iPhone 15 Pro display supply. So, do you plan to upgrade to the new iPhone this year? And if so, which model do you find the most interesting? Your answers, as always, you can leave in a comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give you hearts from the channel. If this video seemed interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. My name is still Osoznan and I'll see you guys in the next one.